there. Mixing up the use of these words is a common mistake. This video will explain the use of each and how you can remember them. Let's start with this there. We can see from the apostrophe that this word is a contraction. That is, two words have been joined together, they and are. This helps to know because if you can replace there with they are, then the word you need is the contraction, THEY apostrophe RE. Here are 5 sentences. See if you can hear which sentences make sense when we replace there with they are. They are is a red flower. They are old friends. They are home is for sale. I can see they are tired. Look over, they are. Pause here while you work. Did you hear which sentences made sense with they are? The second, they are old friends. And fourth, I can see they are tired. They're old friends. I can see they're tired. The other sentences need a different there. Now let's look at this there, THEIR. This word is a possessive pronoun. We use it to talk about ownership. Their house, their dog, their car. Try to work out which of the following sentences needs the possessive pronoun there. Pause here while you work. The word there in these 2 sentences refers to ownership. Ownership of money in the second sentence, and ownership of a party in the 5th. These 2 sentences need the form of there spelt THEIR. Did you happen to spot the 2 sentences that make sense with they are? Here's the first. They are going to be late. And here's the second. I think they are beautiful. They're going to be late. I think they're beautiful. Now let's look at the final there. THERE. This word can be used in a couple of different ways. It usually acts as an adverb describing a place. For example, we will be there tomorrow. Or, I think the painting looks best over there. A trick to remember this is that this form of there has the word here in it. Like here, there refers to a location. This there can also be used to introduce a subject. For example, there are 2 minutes left. Or, it looked like there was a storm coming. Otherwise, just remember, if it's not referring to possession, and it can't be replaced with they are, use THERE. See if you can use the correct there to complete the following sentences. Pause here while you work. Number 1. Their cat. We need the possessive pronoun THEIR. Number 2. Stop right there. This is a location. We use the word with here in it. THERE. Number 3. There is again referring to a location. THERE. Number 4. They're repainting the bridge. We can replace there with they are. They are repainting the bridge. This means we need the contraction THEY apostrophe RE. Number 5. Their old house. This is referring to possession. THEIR. Number 6. This there can be replaced with they are. Do you think they are going to come? We need THEY apostrophe RE. contraction, possession, and the rest. EasyTeaching.net